Hello everyone and welcome to our video where we'll be comparing the Razer Seiren Mini and the piolunth USB microphone. If you're looking for a great microphone for streaming or recording, then this video is for you. Make sure to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. If we compare the design of both microphones, we can see that the Razer Seiren Mini has a more compact build and takes up less desk space, making it perfect for minimalist and smaller setups. On the other hand, the piolunth microphone comes with a shockproof frame and an omnidirectional adjustable cantilever bracket which allows for multiple angle adjustments. In terms of overall design, both microphones are great options depending on your preferences. Both microphones do a great job in terms of audio quality, but the Razer Seiren Mini's ultra-precise Supercardioid pickup pattern provides a tighter pickup angle that focuses on your voice while reducing background noise. The piolunth USB microphone comes with a professional sound chipset and supports sample rates up to 192 kHz, 24-bit, providing high quality and detailed sound. If you're looking for a microphone that captures your voice perfectly, both options are great. One great thing about the piolunth USB microphone is its plug-and-play feature, which doesn't require any drivers to be installed and can easily be connected to any computer with a USB port. The Razer Seiren Mini also has a USB connectivity technology, making it easy to connect to any device. When it comes to connectivity, both microphones are on par with each other. If we compare prices, the Razer Seiren Mini is available for around $37, while the piolunth USB microphone is priced at around $45. Both microphones provide great value for their price and are definitely worth considering for those looking for a budget-friendly option. Thank you all for watching our comparison between the Razer Seiren Mini and the piolunth USB microphone. We hope this video has been helpful in making a decision on which microphone to choose. If you have any comments or questions, don't hesitate to leave them below. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content.